Hello, this is Sani, and we are looking at the workings of a fish tank. So, although the tank may appear unclean, this brown, moldy substance is actually essential to sustain the fish and their ecosystem, because this is basically layers of bacteria which essentially feed on the fish waste, which basically keep it allows the entire fish tank to remain clean, and it supports sustains the life of the fish and keeps them healthy. Then obviously we have a light. Now this light will emit electromagnetic waves, particularly infrared waves, right? And then those infrared waves are absorbed by our water, right? Which is and so that retains heat, which is essentially very important because it sort of replicates what already exists in nature in form of ponds, right? Which is important to make sure that the fish receive the warmth that they require because they're cold-blooded creatures. Then over here we can see a very important device, which is an air pump, right? This basically it's connected to a motor which forces air bubbles, right? And those air bubbles shatters the surface tension over here, and it sort of maximizes air water contact, which is very important because it allows oxygen to reach these fish, right? And obviously they require oxygen to carry out breathing, which is one of the 8 life processes that all living creatures undergo. So that was the working of a fish tank.